Hello guys and welcome back. So in the last video we created this method to save the wallpaper to Firestore, which we haven't yet tested as well. Okay, so I've seen that the category here, we are just sending an empty category, which is something that we forgot to create its separate method. Okay, so let's just create the method to determine the category really quickly, because it might also be empty. So if it is empty, what we want to do is to also get it from the because if you are generating the wallpaper with AI, we have to generate the category based on the AI description, okay, based on the prompt as well, the same way we are generating the name. Okay, so because if you are generating with a user, we are picking here, we will give you the option to select the category of the wallpaper you are selecting. Okay, so let's go on ahead and do that. So what we're gonna do here is this is getting the title, and then also let's do create unique wallpaper ID, and then here we have that comment of generate tags. So let's also create another one, get a category. So get a category of a wallpaper from prompt. Okay, so we're going to do that as well. So generate category, that's what we're going to do. So this category, let's call it wallpaper category. Okay, so this one also, let's create it in the utility class. So what is this gonna do is it's just going to get the prompt, and then from the prompt it will generate the category. Okay, so let's copy this, then coming back to utility, here down we're gonna say determine wallpaper category from the prompt. So it's going to be just like that, which is going to return a prompt. So let me close that. So here I must give this an idea. First we want to get the prompt and put everything to lowercase. Okay, get lowercase lower case prompt. So prompt lowercase is going to be prompt to lowercase, and then next, now here we're going to use the regex, okay, to determine the category. Okay, so maybe AI will assist me. So here I'm going to give you guys like some ideas how we can make use of AI to code this really quickly. What I must just give this AI is the categories first. Okay, so I'm going to go to the wallpaper, and then where do I have categories is going to be these categories. Okay, and then here I'm just gonna say what I will do is I'll come inside here, and then I'm gonna put first the list of categories on top here. Okay, let's say list of categories, and then I'm gonna paste that here. Now here I'm going to remove that static, and then I'm going to remove this all, and maybe I'll leave this other. And then because now this is in this line, what comment I'll put here, it will know that I'm referring to this category. I'm just gonna tell it to make the category based on the prompt with a regex. Okay, now I'm gonna write this comment. Okay, so I'm gonna say check if a prompt contains any categories. No, what I would do is the same way that I've written the comment up here, determine wallpaper, like this one. Okay, determine wallpaper category from prompt using, I'm gonna say regex. Okay, now let's see what it will generate here. Okay, this is quite simple, but okay, I'm gonna help it. I'm gonna start writing the code here, because I want the category that will be generated, it will be among these, okay, one of these categories. Okay, so here let's just check if prompt law, yeah, it's going to be something like this. Okay, so is prompt law dot contains. Here now I need to use the regex, and then inside here what I need to do is I'm going to type the regex command here, which is going to be something like that. Okay, what's going on here? I'm gonna type another bracket here. I mean the quotation, and then here I want to start with the abstract. If something contains the word like abstract, yeah, anything with something something which will have something like abstract, or I can just say pattern. Sorry, I need to type that correct. Pattern or abstract, it has to return not just this. So these will be for other things. Okay, here I need to return abstract, which is going to be category at index 0. Okay, like this. Now I need to have else if with I need to check here again prompt row dot. Now by now the AI should be able to assist me here. If it contains again we have to type the regex. So here I want to check for the nature, anything that has the word nature, trees, flowers, mountains, things like that. I'm going to start typing again the regex like that, and then here it needs to be anything that has the word nature or let's say trees, or what else, flowers, or mountain. Okay, anything that has these words, it should return category 1. Okay, which is nature. Okay, now by now I think the AI should know what I want. Okay, unless my internet is performing. Let's see, I should have assistance by now. Yes, something like this. Okay, so let's click tab. Okay, now I just need to go through this. So anything that has nature, trees, flowers, it has to return that. Anything that has city, building, streets, urban, it will return urban. Anything that has minimal, simple, clean, minimalistic, it will return minimal. Else is going to be sci-fi, and then it's going to be fantasy, is going to be painting. So here we have vintage. Let's say we have space, and then we have so here we need to return vintage, which is also just number 9. And then in the else we need to close this out like that, and then in the else we have to return number 10, which is other. Okay, like this, because this number 10 is other, because this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, this is going to be other, and then that's it. Okay, so with this method we are going to get to generate the category with based on the prompt. We're going to search through the prompt. If it contains any of these words, we're going to direct it to any of these. Otherwise it's going to be just called other as a category. Okay, now that that is out of the way, we can go back here. We are calling this to get the wallpaper category. Now here we just need to call our wallpaper category, and then that's it. I think now this method is fully done. We can forget about this one and then maybe come back later to it if we need to change something. All right, this was just for about generating the category. These are just some short methods that we are using. Okay, so I'll end this video right here. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.